Monster Mike 816. I got a good one for you. This is from ENTEHAUS. They sent this to me for a review. This is their 4-foot creepy doll, illuminating eyes, sound activated, spooky sound effects, body movement, requires 3 AA batteries. It is a spooky, creepy doll for a Halloween decoration, so I am all about it. I got the seal cut. Let's open it up and check this thing out. I'm loving the colors already. It's got some white and blue and some old school gray. Okay, we got some metal poles in here. There's the base. Don't run away from me. So 3 metal poles in total. Got an adapter piece right there. Should be 4 feet to go on the base. 1 more adapter. And this one has directions inside. We'll go ahead and get the base together. Typical ENTEHAUS base. It's got the center piece right there and the 4 feet that just slide right into place and hold the frame up. So go ahead and put this together. It's the same as all of their animatronics that have a base and a frame. We got 3 poles exactly the same. So 1 pole in there, put the extender on, another pole right there, extender, and then this pole. So this thing is going to be 4 feet tall. So it's got pretty cool looking hands here. They're a thick, hard plastic. Loving this color of this dress. I'm getting a pretty good doll collection, and having those different colors of dresses is really going to add to the theme. She has a very nasty, creepy looking face to her and very thinned out hair. So she's super creepy looking, man. She just looks miserable. Her name should just be Miserable. All right, let's check out how this thing is gonna mount to the frame there. Does require 3 AA batteries, so very simple. The mechanism has the battery box right there. Also the selector switch is on there, and so off is demo, and then it's just on, so it's either off or on. Right there, slides right onto the pole. We'll get the batteries in here and we'll check this thing out. Gonna go ahead and slide the doll right onto the frame, and this is an extremely easy assembly. Okay, this is one miserable looking Halloween decoration. I've got it in the off position, which is try me. We'll go ahead and hit the maiden voyage here. Let's check it out again. All right, the head moves, the arms move, we got lights, and this little doll is an absolute liar because she does not look happy, but she is laughing like crazy. I believe it's just one audio theme here. I'm gonna try it one more time. Okay, yeah, she's just got the one audio file, which works perfectly. You put this around a bunch of other Halloween doll decorations, it's gonna fit right in, and having one that just laughs is perfect because there are a bunch of decorations out there that already have sayings, so it's nice to have something that just makes noises. Okay, the sound activation sensor is very sensitive. Just got to speak up and it sets it right off. Okay, we'll check it out in the dark here. Now, if that doesn't grab a trick-or-treater's attention, there probably isn't much that will. If you're looking for creepy Halloween decorations, this doll right here fits that category. Please go like and subscribe. As always, Thank you so much for watching. Monster Mike 816 out.